Right guys, so now in this lecture 45 let's do the remaining chlorides reaction with water, and then once this is done period 3 chapter will be completed. Okay, then we'll be moving on to group 2. Now SiCl4 silicon tetrachloride, we did its formation in the previous class, right? Silicon reacting with chlorine, it forms silicon tetrachloride, which is a colorless liquid, a colorless fuming liquid. And if you are asked to describe what you would observe when SiCl4 reacts with water, you would say that it hydrolyzes in water, producing a white precipitate. SiO2 silicon dioxide, which is a giant covalent structure, is formed. Okay, a white solid is formed, an acidic solution is formed, but observation, of course, you just say that white solid is formed. And SiCl4 on the other hand is a simple covalent compound, whereas SiO2 is a giant covalent compound. Then comes PCl3, phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus trichloride. When it reacts with water, it produces H3PO4 and HCl as well. Well, one thing common to all of these chlorides is that whenever they dissolve in water, they will produce HCl as a byproduct. Okay, so you can learn that basically. And most of the times HCl is in the fumes form. Okay, it's in the gaseous form, it's fuming. Okay, then with PCl3 you get H3PO3, but with PCl5, which is actually a solid, a white solid, as I told you in the previous lecture, you get H3PO4, not PO3, rather you get PO4 along with HCl. And then S2Cl2, well, this equation, this reactant is not very important, but its products are. Okay, you must know the observation of the products, so we'll talk about them right now. S2Cl2 is actually an orange liquid with a very bad smell. Okay, when it dissolves in water, I haven't balanced the equation I think, but still when it dissolves in water, it will give us HCl. It will give us H2S, which is a gas. Okay, a very important gas. Okay, we've done a lot of questions are asked regarding H2S. And finally sulfur, as a yellow solid is also formed. Observation, yellow solid, sulfur. H2S is a colorless gas, but it has a rotten egg odor. Okay, meaning a bad egg smell. So that's how you can identify H2S. Identification of gases, H2S can be identified by its odor, and HCl fumes are going to be observed. And this completes period 3 for us in this lecture. Inshallah, in the next lecture we are going to start out with a new chapter from lecture 46, group 2. Thank you.